See this background? I made it myself by generating it in Descript. And it only took a few minutes. Most video backgrounds are either boring or expensive. Now you can forget all that. Let me show you how to generate custom looping backgrounds for your videos in minutes. First, you need a reference image. You can use AI to generate one, or just use a photo you already have. The key is thinking about what makes sense to loop. Fire crackling, waves lapping, clouds drifting, a cat breathing. Subtle motion, nothing too chaotic. I'm using this snowy mountain ridge. Now click AI Tools, then Generate a Video. Then describe what you want. Here's my prompt. Fancy, right? Well, I didn't write it. Because pro tip, Underlord is really good at writing image and video prompts. Just say what you're trying to make. I want a looping aerial shot over a snowy mountain ridge, and it'll write you a solid prompt. The important part? The prompt needs to mention that the start and end frames should match the reference image. That's what makes it loop seamlessly. Attach your reference image to the prompt. Then click the cube icon. Choose a model that accepts a last frame image, like PixVerse, Hailuo, and Veo 3.1, which I'm using, and attach the same image there. This tells the model, start here, do your thing, end here. Loop complete. Then hit generate. Find something to do. When it's done, drop it in your timeline. Go to Properties, hit the drop down under Duration, and choose Loop. And there it is. You've got a looping video that'll go on as long as you need it to. The loop keeps things visually interesting without being distracting. It just sits there, doing its thing, while you do yours. That's it. Generate an image, set your start and end frames, describe the motion, stick it in your video, and hit loop. Head to Descript to give it a try.